Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Service Control Manager error 7009, then let's look at the solutions. So the first solution would be is to restore the system to a previous time and date. So how we do that is we look for recovery. In the search bar, click on recovery, click on open system restore, look for a suitable restore point, click next and follow the process, and the system will be restored to a stable version at a previous time and date. Now the second option is to make changes in the registry. For that we need to look for the registry editor, click on it, yes, open HKey local machine, look for system, then look for current control set and click on control. Now right click, new, and we open a dword 32-bit value. Now please look at this. This is very critical. Dword 32-bit value, and we change the name of this to service pipe timeout, and we have to use the same capital SERVICE, capital PIPE, capital TIMEOUT. Once this is done, we click on modify, and we need to change this value to 60,000. Once we do that, press enter, and this should solve your issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.